.com. 135 bucks. Brand spanking new, a whole system. I was gonna buy from the dealer. They wanted 750 bucks. So remember, rockauto.com.
That was a bitch. I'm telling you right now. We had to cut the bit to have enough space to play right here. So if you get to that situation, don't forget, you gotta cut the bit.
Guys, we're gonna see how clogged is the older one. So this one, right?
No,
Just a tip
the old one.
for this to be able to go in the rubber. Good. Everything back in place. The end right there gave me a hard time, but we had to make a new hose. So do what you gotta do. Brand spank new. So moment the truth. So guys, moment the truth. I don't know if I gotta drive a little bit, but I'm gonna turn that thing on right now. This God, freaking sweet. 1, 2, and 3. I think it's gotta be hot, so we'll be right back. Let it warm it up. let's take a ride and we'll be back. So guys, we let the car run for a good 5 minutes, but the code went off because I just turned it on with the computer. So tomorrow I'm going to work. I have to drive 50 miles one way and 50 miles another way. So I'm going to be driving 100 miles and I will let you know tomorrow. All right? See you. I'm going to open this to see what's going on inside here. This is my old, okay, this is my old Cali. I'm going to open to see why I was calling for the code. There you go, guys. I don't think my Cali was looking that bad. This is the side, the motor, take all the pressure from the motor. Hold on, what? And this side, that's where it come out. I know it look a little bit bad, but if you go by common sense, you can see daylight. Show the daylight. You see the flashlight right there? See the flashlight? So I don't know, we see. I just turned my check engine lights off with the computer and I let you guys know by tomorrow. I gotta drive around 100 miles back and forth. There you go, guys. Just to finish the video from yesterday, my check engine lights now on. I drove, as you can see right there, I drove 108 miles. No check engine. Nice. This is here for the brake pads. I have the wrong brake pads there. But anyway, no check engine lights on. I guess the Cali is working pretty good, and I will be doing my inspection tomorrow. I hope for the video help you. If you like, subscribe for the channel, and don't forget rockauto.com. If you need any parts, they sell anything you want. Rock Auto. All right, take care.